gonna break it just because I'm mad. Nothing, not even a crack. Go ahead. All right, guys, we are super excited to be here in the Braille house with Aaron Cairo, the San Francisco skateboarder that is sponsored.
Yeah, you are. I'm Nigel. That's not San Francisco skateboarder. That's
Sponsored.
someone sponsored.
I'm Nigel. Just kidding. I'm Daniel. I couldn't think of anything.
Lumberjack. And we today are going to try to not break a skateboard that's inside this box. Okay, we got this skateboard off of Overstock.com, and it was the cheapest board we could find, and it cost
$52.
$52?
$52?
No plastic. The trucks are metal. Man, I thought I was opening a piece of garbage. Now I realize this is a beautiful thing. You guys remember how this works? It's been a long time. So we do Rochambeau. No, then we do a game of skate.
Oh, okay.
And if you break the board, you lose.
Oh, okay.
So it's very strategic.
Flat ground game of skate?
Wherever you want to go. Great, I'm last.
That's good.
You won! You won!
I won.
First, go. I'm not gonna lie. This board actually seems pretty good. Look,
Oh,
all that first
what
try.
about double though? Can you do the double? Wow.
Although it doesn't seem to roll very well, which seems to be common with these cheaper boards. Okay,
It just rolled into my shin.
go ahead.
Isn't it full part?
You missed the kickflip?
Yeah.
If you miss the first kickflip on the East Coast, you're out. You lost the game.
What you got, Nigel?
The world is your oyster. I saw him do like a 1080 tail whip, and then I could barely ollie. Seems like when you land, the wheels kind of go like, don't move. So you remember how this goes. The person who breaks it loses. Go ahead, Nigel, break it. And if no one breaks it, we all lose. I'm gonna break it just because I'm mad.
Is it me or is the shape a little weird?
The shape is super weird.
What? That sounded like a transformer. It was like, you hear that?
Wow.
Why was it so weird when I did it?
You're off balance.
Really? I was on there, the trucks were on there, it just sounded like this. All right, now we break it. I thought for sure he was gonna eat it. You did great, you did great. How did he go, how did he do that going so slow? All right. The board itself reminds me of a Burton snowboard for some reason. Should I go for it?
For what?
Straight to it?
I don't know what you're talking about, but sure.
You do. We're just, don't break the board, Gabe. There's only one trick.
Oh, if you
Straight
want.
to that?
No, not yet.
Okay, you're right. Shaka Khan.
Like
Might
the
have been
best heel flip you've
I've
ever done.
Jinx, you owe me a heel flip.
You owe me a soda.
Gotta summon my inner heel flip powers real because I suck at them. That didn't count. I don't know what I hit.
You hit a Lego. Wow. Ow! Dang it! That didn't hurt at all, but I'm gonna yell ow. Go ahead. Don't break it.
Okay then.
Wow.
Those wheels get a lot of grip.
I thought 100% guaranteed he was gonna miss that just because of all the mounting tension.
Time to move the camera.
What happened?
I didn't try.
Why?
I'm being nice.
Being nice? Mm-hmm. I almost lost everything. Should I just do that off the Braille drive?
Why?
Because I want to win.
No, I don't know if I want to skate anymore.
Uh-oh, that was solid. Be careful, Nigel.
Did I just give you everything?
What'd you do? You shook his hand?
No, I took his powers and he
Oh,
was like, you know what just happened?
Oh, no.
I'm terrified now.
All right, let's test the web address. www.uzicannotswitchflip.com. AaronKyle.cannotswitchflip.org.
Let me pull up my web browser for you guys.
Go. Give me that.
I've never done this.
All right, we've been playing this child's game long enough. Ready, Gabe? Oh no! Dang it!
Backlit? Defense?
Yes. Nothing, not even a crack. Let's change that.
New lip?
I thought 100% it was breaking. Nothing. I hate this skateboard. No!
Oh!
Dang it! Out of here! Go ahead.
Oh, I thought it was over.
Me too. Okay, you want to go there?
I gotta dish out some letters.
You can do those. That's the fun. I did it already.
Aaron, go for his throat.
I'm gonna go for his throat. Don't tell him.
He said he's gonna go for my throat.
I have no tricks left. I want to do a bunch of grinds, but it won't grind. I want to do a bunch of flips, but it won't flip. What do you got left? AA, Ron.
Spins.
Letter! Oh!
I thought, you know, the wheels don't slide at all. So you got to pivot all the way in the air, no slide on the wheel. And we accomplished that. Late shove it.
That is a T!
If we don't break this board, I don't know. Okay, if I get this, I'll be proud of myself.
If not,
I'll
I'm
lose.
coming for your soul.
Straight to the soul, not even for the body.
Yeah.
Everything in my body just gave up before I popped. All right, let's take my soul. Oh. I can't believe you can do that on this, for real?
Yeah, that's impressive.
Letter!
You have a chance.
I gotta practice more.
I know the same trick, but not double.
Fork. Well, like, how would that not break it?
I have gotten into this one time.
What?
All right, crikey, man, we want to do it. We're going to wing it. Why did that hurt? I don't know. Oh, am I at my last letter?
Yeah, he has one more try.
I have T? Where did I get T? I thought I was at A. Oh, God dang it. I forgot about that. You're sneaky.
It wasn't me that forgot. I remembered. I knew. We said T to T, and he said, okay. Well, the first time ever that we did a video, right?
I gotta stomp on that tray flip, see if it breaks.
You wanna land it? Woo! Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, and even you back there, learn how to skateboard. It's your time. Let's go.